Have you ever noticed how loud the world is? Between your notifications, people talking, and things pulling your attention in every which direction, it's like boom, mental prop wash. But when I fly, what I've noticed is that everything goes silent. No bills, no drama, no stress, just the sound of my motors and the feel of my thumbs. Up there, I'm not thinking about anything else, just ripping. It's like the whole world slows down when I speed up. The funny thing is that FPV taught me something that I didn't expect, and that is how to focus. When you're flying, you can't afford to drift not for 1 second. You gotta stay locked in or you crash. So I take that same energy into real life. I started locking in on my goals, at work, on people who matter, and guess what? I stopped crashing so much off the sticks too. So if you ever feel scattered, try flying. You might find freedom in the focus.
Buzzing out through skies so bold, metal wings with stories untold, spinning fast in the endless glare. It's a dance of a drone flipping in the air. Up it goes, defying the breeze, looping wild with effortless ease, through the clouds with style so rare. A perfect drone flipping in the air. Sunlight reflects on its sleek design, defying gravity like it's divine. It pirouettes with the dare and flare, this fearless drone flipping in the air. Wires hum a mechanical beat, circuits thrive in the summer heat. From ground to stars it does declare, I'm alive, flipping in the air. Up it goes, defying the breeze, looping wild with effortless ease, through the clouds with style so rare. A perfect drone flipping in the air. When the sky dims and the stars appear, it still